everyone, welcome to CDC. Today I'm sharing the recipe of one of the most popular oven-baked flatbread named focaccia in my style. The recipe is extremely simple with excellent flavor. So do try out this recipe one time and I can assure you, you will simply love it. The beauty of this recipe is it needs no special equipment, which means everyone can make it. So let's get started. In a large bowl, take 5 cups of all-purpose flour, which is also called maida in Hindi. Then add dried rosemary. I have pounded it a bit in mortar and pestle, but you can also chop it or slightly crush it with your hands as well. Then add chili flakes, salt, instant dry yeast, and combine all ingredients well. I have used instant yeast, which does not require to be activated separately. But if you are using active dry yeast, then mix it with water and honey separately and let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes or until frothy or bubbly at the surface. Then mix it in with flour. Then add honey, finely chopped garlic, olive oil, and approximately 1/3 of lukewarm water. Then mix it with the help of spatula. Add water gradually when mixing the dough. Dough should look shaggy and sticky with no dry streaks. So if you think your dough is little dry after adding all the water mentioned in the recipe, then don't hesitate to add more water into the dough. No need to overwork the dough. Once everything combines well, then cover it nicely with a plastic wrap and let it proof in a warm place for 4 hours or until double in size. Once done, uncover it and deflate the dough by punching it for a few seconds with the help of spatula. Then apply a generous amount of olive oil on baking sheet. Now transfer the dough on it and start flattening it with your hands evenly. Don't forget to apply olive oil in your hands as well, so that dough doesn't stick to your hand. While flattening it, if the dough springs back too much, then don't worry, let the dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then flatten it. Once done, let it proof for 1 hour uncovered in any warm place. After 45 minutes, preheat the oven at 450 Fahrenheit. Put a bowl filled with water in bottom rack of the oven while oven is preheating. Once proofing is done, put some pickled jalapeno, banana peppers, sun-dried tomatoes on top. I'm using only these 3 toppings as this is what readily available to me. But you can also add sliced black olive, pickled artichokes, fresh rosemary, or any other topping of your choice. Just before putting it in the oven, pinch the dough aggressively with your finger like you're playing a piano. Then immediately coat all topping with good amount of olive oil to prevent burning. Then sprinkle some sea salt flakes or molten kosher salt on top. Bake it for 30 minutes or until nice and golden brown. Water added to the oven will evaporate into steam. This helps the bread rise in the oven, which benefits in several ways, like nice crusty crust on top and stay soft from inside. Once done, take it out and transfer it on a cooling rack and let it rest for 10 to 12 minutes. Then slice it and relish this fresh baked spicy garlic bread as it is, or you can use it for sandwiches or enjoy it with soup, salad, dips, garlic bread, pasta and whatnot. You can even keep it as a side dish or as an appetizer for some events like friends or family get-together, kitty parties and lot more. What's another good thing about this delicious fancy flatbread is it needs no special skill and everyone can make it and experience the fun of baking at home. So do try out this recipe and share your thoughts in comment section. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, happy eating. Bye bye. Take care.